Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 9 of Treasure Trovember. I'm so happy you are here. I have had people ask how to share your Trovember images if you're not on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, go ahead and tag at my Collage-Lab. I am not caught up. I took a couple days off from social media, so I'll try to catch up tomorrow or today. But if you don't want to do social media, you can post in our private classroom group on our website if you have taken either a paid class with Collage-Lab or if you sign up for our free G is for Grids class. And you can do that right now. I'll put the link below. It's explore.collagelab.com/free grids altogether, and enjoy our free G is for Grids class, and that will give you access to our private classroom group at explore.collagelab.com. Just need to log in, go into that private group. There's a special thing set up for Trovember. I would love to see what you're working on. Now on to the prompt for day 9. It's a fun one. For day 9, we're going to add a toy. Add a toy to your collage today, and I will see you back here tomorrow for day 10. Thanks so much for being here.